Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mr. Hustle here. Today we'll be discussing what's the busiest time to work for Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub. Let's get right into it. Alright, so today's Friday, April 4th. I started my day around 8:30. It's a little later in the day now. You guys didn't want to see me at 8:30 in the morning. Alright, so after I dropped my son off at school, I ended up working from 8:30 to 9:30. I got a $9 Uber Eats order for 6 miles. That was pretty quick and easy. Good way to start the day. Right after I dropped that off, I got an $11 DoorDash order for 6 miles. This was a shop and pay order, so I did have to shop for the customer. Luckily, nothing was out of stock. So one of the best times to work is definitely 8:30 to 9:30 in the morning. Can't really build a long shift around it, but it is a good time to work, so I thought it was worth mentioning. After I did those 2 orders, I went home, so I ended up going back to work around 11:30. Because the best times to work during the day in general is 11 to 2 o'clock. That's the lunch rush. In my area, more specifically, you want to do 11:30 to 2:30. I found that's a little better for my area. Alright, so at 11:30, I was leaving my house and I got a $20 Uber Eats order for 10 miles. Great way to start this 11:30 to 2:30 shift. Great way to show you that this is the busiest times. So that brought me to my main work zone. Perfect. After I dropped those 2 orders off, I ended up getting a $9 9-mile Uber Eats order. A couple minutes before I dropped that off, I got a Grubhub for $11, 11 miles. And the customer was right on the way to the restaurant. So dropped off the Uber order and picked up the Grubhub order. On my way to drop off the Grubhub order, a couple minutes away from the customer, I got an Uber Eats order, $10, 9 miles. So I took that, dropped off the Grubhub, picked up the Uber. Customer was on the way for the Grubhub. You got to be very careful when you're stacking orders with different platforms. If it takes more than 5 to 10 minutes extra, don't do it. Normally I'll go about 3 minutes out of the way and then 3 minutes back to the main route. And then that normally doesn't cause any issues, no bad ratings, anything like that. It's time for story time with Mr. Hustle. Alright, so that Uber order I just did, when I got to the restaurant, they told me someone already picked up the order. So basically I talked to them, I explained what happened. It seems as if the driver stole the order. So after I explained to them what happened, I asked them, do you want to remake the order for the customer? And they agreed to do that for me. So luckily they remade the order, and then I delivered it to the customer. And then I got a DoorDash, $7, 3 miles. And lastly, a Grubhub, $11, 13 miles to bring me back to my neighborhood where I live. I was about 5 minutes away from my house or so after that drop off. So I got paid to drive to my work zone and drive back home, which was perfect. To recap, I did make about $70 in the 3-hour lunch rush from 11:30 to 2:30. So we'll take that. So those are the best times to work during the day. You got personally that 8:30 to 9:30. You're going to want to test that time out and see if you could maybe start a little earlier or work a little later in your area to see if that works for you. But mainly you're going to want to focus on 11 to 2. If you want to stretch it a little bit, you go 10:30 to 2:30. If I'm working a full day, I'll do normally 10:30 to 2:30 approximately, maybe 11 to 3. Take a little lunch break and then go back out 4 to 8, approximately 5 to 9. It's flexible, depends on the day. But in the next video, we'll get into the best time to work at night. This is just part 1. We're covering best times to work during the day mainly. So as always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you're looking for more, watch this video here. This will teach you how to make over $20 per hour consistently, the strategies I use, and how you can apply them no matter where you're working. All right. Hey Seth, your order's here.